Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be making a paper airplane.
Out of regular paper.
You can use.
Make some jets.
Remember, you can use any type of paper for this.
Construction paper, but all we have is line paper.
Since we used all that other paper, yeah.
This, the dragon.
Okay.
We just made the dragon.
And we're
that's
gonna
a pterodactyl.
Yeah, and we're gonna make another one that looks like that. In another video, we might teach you how to make just a normal and basic paper airplane. So, I really never made one before, so I'm gonna watch my dad.
What? You made one last night.
Yeah, but I didn't make the.
Here, let's put the stand on. Oh, there's no stand. How do you reverse this?
Why do you want to reverse it?
So that way you can see us.
Dad, people.
Look, okay, see, so I can do it with one hand, and you can use both your hands, so we get both of us in it.
Dad, you know the video's on.
Yeah, I know. Come on, let's go. What? I know the video's on.
Cut that out!
Stop. You videoing me too, so we're videoing each other. Come
Let's
on.
just make it different.
All right, so this is how you make the paper airplane. You fold it in half, right? And then what?
I have no idea. Oh, we're doing that one?
Yeah, we're going to do the regular one, okay?
And then you do this.
Oh, actually, we're going to try to make the one like this with the tip. You wanted to make that one, right?
Yeah.
All right, so you make this one with a flat tip the same way. You want to start out the same way. So that, fold it once, twice.
My foot.
Yeah, how many times? 3 times on each side, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's see if I can do this one.
Like this.
Yep.
Kind of hard.
In line with each other, all the way down.
And then you turn it around.
Hold on.
Once you do that.
Here, hold the camera so I can.
Once you do that side. 1 second. And then after that, you want to do this.
Fold it 3 times.
Yeah. Now, there. If you want to do it this normal paper airplane, yeah, you can.
Oh, you already did yours. There you go. You did a good job. You finished. Look at that.
Oh,
and that's how you make a paper airplane, huh? Oh yeah. Okay, here, hold this. So to make that tip, you do it like this.
This is how you make that's how you make the normal paper airplane. And we're about to make this one.
Let's see.
Wait, the sticker doesn't really matter.
Fold this back like this.
And remember, you can use a sticker or like tape or something to keep it together.
Fold the nose.
So, yeah.
This is how you do it. And then, look, Angela, you I already did. Look, you fold the nose. But that is a cool. Like this.
I'm making a nose. And you do
See
that.
Fold it in the nose. Then you just do the regular paper airplane. And voila.
That is
A noseless jet.
what? Okay.
It's not heavy enough.
Oh, there's another one.
Okay.
Here's the collection of paper airplane we have. No, that isn't there. We have this one. The one we just made. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one.
You show them the hanger?
Oh, yeah.
Where you land the plane?
1 second. This one. A hanger. An Xbox, but that doesn't really matter.
And then you got
This
the landing
one.
strip. Yeah, the landing strip right here.
Mm-hmm. Here's a landing strip. This one. Ow! This one. This one.
You like this one?
Mm-hmm.
I like the color. I like the red. Looks like 4th of July.
Mm-hmm.
It's like red. It looks like it's gonna get ready to destroy some things.
No, it's not. And
Like a bomber jet.
that one. And no.
Come on, let's try to throw it in there.
And now we're gonna try to throw it inside the hanger.
Yeah,
So, 1 second. Let me help you. Let me see if this is a good angle. Okay.